Looking back from March 3rd, 2024, amazing ride, great people. And we went over the Aweber crash course. This is a digital kit, videos, how to master Aweber. And also the list authority, how to get 1,000 subscribers in 30 days. Step-by-step guides on how to go about doing that. And also the beginner's guide to visualization, to visualize your dreams in the current moment, and also the beginner's guide to meditation. Make sure you don't miss nothing in your meditation practice. And also we have the Speak to Manifest, a 6-day positive self-talk challenge to start manifesting your dream life in this current reality. Very powerful. And here's my marching orders, okay? Wait, these are the ones up top are all the digital books. The ones down the bottom are audible books. And most of them I have the audio version and the Kindle version. And I go through it, pull out the knowledge, put it in place. Be Your Future Self Now is started the list store. Have a great day. Thanks for watching the short video. Comment at the bottom.